In Spreadsheet Server, a GXL formula retrieves a single balance from a specific general ledger in Excel. It is a powerful tool for building financial reports by combining parameter and segment values to calculate balance totals based on user-defined criteria. In this video, we'll explore the Clear Shift Worksheet option within the Formula Builder GXL panel. This option determines how a new GXL formula is inserted into a worksheet that already contains data and what impact it has on the existing content. Clear Shift Worksheet options. The Clear Shift Worksheet drop-down list in the Formula Builder GXL panel includes 4 options. The Clear Entire Worksheet option allows you to remove any existing data from the target worksheet. The Overwrite Existing Data option allows you to replace the data in the starting cell. This is the default selection. The Overwrite with Existing Parameters option allows you to modify an existing GXL formula in a cell to include any updated parameters. The Shift Existing Data option enables you to retain the current worksheet report, but move it to insert the GXL parameters and segments. It can turn static values in existing reports to dynamic values with drill-down capabilities. Shift Existing Data. Let's go through the steps for using this option. Select the appropriate value in the Excel report and then click the Formula Builder button in the Spreadsheet Server ribbon. Select the Shift Existing Data option from the Clear Shift Worksheet drop-down list. Now, update the other GXL formula options to retrieve the desired results. Here, we will update the source, year, and period. Select the Invert Sign checkbox. Change the position of these segments and use this range for the account number segment. Once done, click the Insert button. The existing report is shifted down and the new parameters and segments are inserted at the top. The previously selected static value is converted to a GXL formula. This is now a dynamic value with drill-down capabilities. To update the current year-to-date actuals and the current year-to-date budget value in this report, copy the parameters of the new formula across columns G and H and update the parameters in accordance with the report. We will change format in column G and the balance type and format in column H. Update the segment values accordingly to achieve the desired results. Here, we will use this list of account numbers and the wildcard for sub-account and product segments. Now, copy the cell containing the formula to the desired values to apply the configured GXL formula and update the values. You can repeat the steps as necessary to continue updating the report. Voila! Your static report is transformed into a dynamic report. And there you have it, a quick yet thorough walkthrough of leveraging GXL formulas and the Clear Shift Worksheet option in Spreadsheet Server.